Hey, toy fans, I need your help. These are called Soothie Sounds, and they're little plush that have white noise in there that sounds like what it looks like. This is a hair dryer. We have a box fan. Easier than carrying a big fan around, right? But for colicky children, etc., these are scientifically supported to work and safety tested as well as pediatrician designed. Here is the vacuum cleaner. Once for 20 minutes, twice for 40 minutes, and 3 times you're off. Okay? Please, if you have a routine that's worked, tell me what you think about these toys and or infant items that could work within your routine. Just leave me a comment. Looking for your feedback. The price would be around $20, and again, all safety tested. Thanks, fans. I can always count on you for engagement.